No, man, you go too far now, Sheriff. Friend them are not a friend killer, man. I want to you, man. Right now, I just show little thing go down, man. They in a dark mode. That's why, man, them a behave so.
I sense them could have gone in them dark mood and deal something because you try to tell them the right thing. Lando, I know this will come back here for. The little time I go away and come back, I really this will come back to.
Nothing like that, Sheriff. Believe. Everything soon will hear. Right now, I never want you to come back and say none of them things are going. Trust me. Right now, the last thing I want to see, I feel unhappy, you know. That's the last thing I want to see. Believe. Just want to see you happy here. Should have left earlier, you know. From evening, but you want to leave. I have to deliver if you go make it nice feel.
Lando, you go lock early, you now go over Spain. Me know where you go Spain to do. You know what? You come on my yard tonight.
But I have to deliver if you go make.
Yeah, but the delivery can do a morning. And tomorrow when you are going to do the delivery, me will come with you.
Long time I not forward around here, where you do? I done with the shop thing, you know.
No, but me I plan to do something else.
It's always good to change up the thing sometime, you know. But I want to ask you something. How you manage as a young lady to deal with this part of your life and the other part of your life?
Well, the other part of my life I will go through. So I can help other people. The part of my life here, I feel like a human again.
Over what you say. So, our little boyfriend life and thing are going with it, you know. Me say I'm gone out to sea. So how you deal with it?
I deal with it good, man. And I'm alright.
Good to know. Because little girls them nowadays, you know, run up and down and them go and giddy and dizzy and I give whole heap of bun and whole heap of jacket and them ready them. As a young lady, just go and hold the faith and hold it firm because enough time them overlook the fact that man have emotion too, you know, so they move a kind of way. But as a young lady, may I tell you, as a gene of the business, hold it. Don't let go.
Me have too much things I focus on. I'm gonna easily get distracted. Plus the time I run off.
Sure. Little Miss and Mr. Sir, but like that. Don't leave me hanging. Not because I'm twanging. So here we going now.
Mm-hmm.
This is my instrument. So I will turn over them things here to this. Because I suggest to Miss Brissett say, I better you walk with something like this. You know, to cumbersome self, you know, get on a little movements. You don't have to pop out a laptop and a ray. So you just jump on this, bam, 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 bam.
So what if I get a new one?
You can get a new one. Just circle and come and shift it from one.
What if me buy a new one?
That's what I said. If you buy a new one, you shift this to the new one.
Alright.
But for now, I'm going to shift this to this. So you can
Alright.
operate with this. Just go in a little place. And you don't have to pass no big laptop. Just go son. Pick up your thing and go son. Yeah? And you're good to go. So watch this now. Just turn on that. I could just link it and get it done the right way. Alright, put the instrument here. Alright. Now give me a second. This must be in a your possession at all time. If it's not in a your possession, make sure say lock with someone like in a vault. Not even who you live with if you have access to this. Because the information will be on this and the things that you can access from this, believe me. If who nothing know, find out so the information upon this, the whole agency no problem. You get what I say? So hold on. So everything I say, yes or no?
So, I have to go put this in my safe.
Yeah, man. Secure it. I have to run go back out of the bar, you know. Look at me. So you're the play now.
It finished.
Just tell Miss Bissett, say, a circle, you're going to deal with. Big up yourself.
Alright, no
Just
bad.
go and do the right thing and know, say, everything is everything.
Alright.
Big up yourself.
Yeah.
No, hold on there.
The dog.
The dog.
Yeah, so you don't know what I say. Big up Shelly Expressions, pan our heart strong. You hear that? Yeah, man, enough. More life, more blessing, and more love, we say, you know, Shelly. Yeah. I hope this and the coming years, we'll find us surrounded with oceans of love, mountains of blessings, and reservoirs of prosperity. I long live the king. Bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Shelly. Happy birthday to the First Lady. Yeah. Happy birthday. I wish you live to see many, many more with God's richest blessing. Big up you. One Shelly Expression, never two. Yes, you. Yes, Shell. I hope you enjoy this day and have a blast. One Omega. Never two.
Hi Shelly, good morning. How are you? Happy birthday. I hope you enjoy yourself and do have yourself a great day. And no matter what you do, don't let nobody spoil your day. Bless up all the blessings today and as long as life lasts. Have a good day.
Yeah, with that tape. You come at time here, because I just wake. And you know, if I don't see this face, yeah, you know, another time I come for waste. Quick and fast, me a kick and pass. You see it. And me I say, yo, big up the First Lady. Auntie Shelly, big up yourself on a special day. Happy birthday. I hope you have a memorable one. The kind that you would love very much today. And remember, the jet plane are wait. So if you want to go overseas and you want to do it in a yard local, you don't know where badness come down. You understand? Happy birthday, my auntie. Enough blessings and manners. Granted. Glass and fix.
Happy birthday to you. I want to wish you, Shelly, a happy birthday. Yeah, one more year upon them, my friend. Me know you long. Me can't talk too long, how long I know you. But girl, have an awesome day. Yo, happy birthday, my friend. One more year upon them. Yeah. Next year, it'll go bigger. Remember me tell you. Yeah. Big up yourself, First Lady Expressions. Yeah.
Happy birthday, you know, First Lady. Big up yourself, you know, Shelly. When I time them, just full joy day. You don't know, more blessings. More joy, more hope, more peace. Just full joy day and just full joy yourself. You deserve it all. Big up yourself on your birthday. One Shelly Expression when I time them. How this and them knows. I'm out. Copy. One. Happy birthday. One.
Whoa! I walk one here, so. One bambizzle. One First Lady. One more year upon them. Happy birthday, my friend. I want this under my nose.
Happy birthday, Shelly, aka Bubbles, my big sister in the show in real life. I wish you many more years to come. Happy birthday, I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shelly. Happy birthday to you. Big up yourself, you're strong, Auntie Shelly. Happy birthday, one love, one respect, one everything. Boop.
One Expressions JA, then no brawl in your ear. Hear me, I say, no man, I want Bubbles Shelly. Big up yourself, you don't know anything come down. Happy birthday, you hear that?
What am I doing?